Hi, my name is Pranay Rishinalam, and today I'm going to be talking about the project EduSketch AI, which we built for Viking Hacks 2025. The basis of this project is basically just to focus on educational accessibility and intelligent feedback. So let's get started. So for this project, we basically built it using Python, where we used MediaPipe to track the finger key points on the user's hand. And furthermore, by using computer vision, we were able to track the user's fingers so that we can draw on the screen over here. And we've also been able to track the eyes for the user. And as you can see over here, that we can access the green color by changing or moving our fingers around. And we can also change color by selecting on top of it. And then we can change our colors over here. And then if you want to use eraser functionality, you can do that too. And then following this, we plan to use both our machine learning and AI capability to analyze whatever is written on this canvas. So for example, if a student is doing a math problem, if they write 1 plus 1, and then we hope that the program will take a screenshot of what they've written when they hit the send button and give a response back as the answer is 2. So this is basically a little bit different from Apple Notes as well as Oculus's drawing tools, because our project focused more on educational accessibility, and we also have a new add-on which is eye tracking feature. We haven't gotten a chance to work on this, however I plan to improve this project more in the future, and the basis that our eye tracking focuses on is changing between the colors and improving the overall accessibility of this program. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it.